Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install iTunes on your Windows computer. So let's see how we can do this thing. So at first I open the browser and I am on the Google homepage, and in the search box I'm going to type iTunes. Once I type the iTunes and hitting enter key, I see the search result of iTunes. So from here, the top one, apple.com iTunes, this is the official website of iTunes. If you want to download directly from Apple like App Store, Windows App Store, Windows Store, then you have to go there. Otherwise, there is another alternate option. You can manually download it from this down link, from this support link. Okay, but in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download this from Windows Store. So just click here, and then you will see the iTunes icon is there, and there is a button like Get It from Microsoft. Okay, this will open the Windows Store basically. So I'm going to right click, and then I'm going to show you. So here it is showing like this is the Windows Store, and you can download from here, but I'm not going to download it from there. The main reason I came here to show you that you can also do it from here also, and this is the icon you need to remember. So when you try to download, just think about this icon. Okay, now click on the start menu, and then it will bring this type of window. Now start typing a store here. Only just type a store, and you'll see Microsoft Store is there. Just click Microsoft Store, and then it will bring like this type of window. So now in the app search box, basically this store, you will find different applications is there. So here we need to type iTunes, and then once we type iTunes, we need to hit enter key, and then we'll find lots of options for iTunes. But I'm not interested to go there because I know that this is the icon, right, which I showed you earlier. So remember this icon. So from here we need to install this one only. So you just need to click here, and then it will be open like this, and there is a get button. That means to start the installation. So I'm going to press this get button, and it will start the installation, and you will see that there is a progress bar, and it is giving me some message like preparing to download, and after the download it will start the installation. So you need to take some time, you need to wait some time to download and install it, because this is not a small size, like 227.6 megabyte downloaded. So this is almost 250 gigabyte, not 250 gigabyte, 250 megabyte of size. So it will take some time to download and install it. Once it is downloaded successfully, then it will start installation automatically. You don't need to do anything, and once the installation is successful, then you will get this open type of button. That means iTunes has been installed successfully. Now you can click here to open it, or you can click the start menu, and from here you can type iTunes. You'll see the iTunes is there. Now if you click here, it will open the iTunes, and here you will see a agreement. We just need to press the agree button, and then after that the iTunes application will be open shortly. I'm going to close this thing because we don't need this window anymore. I'm going to close it, and also I'm going to minimize this thing because we don't need it. So this is the welcome screen of iTunes. At first we need to press the agree button to agree all the license agreement. Basically here they mention welcome, iTunes is simplest way to enjoy your favorite music, something like that. Okay, so we just need to press the agree button to access it and the iTunes. Now you can use your Apple ID to sign in your iTunes store, so that you can access all the music, everything over there. And that's it guys. In this way we can easily install iTunes on our Windows computer. Hopefully by watching this video you will be able to install it very quickly. Thanks again for watching the video.